morning everyone, particularly our instructor, Ma'am Jeneline Correo, and our practice teacher, Ma'am Alpha Joy Masina. We want to wish you all a wonderful day. We are going to talk about Carl Linnaeus taxonomy hierarchy. I hope that by the end of the presentation, you will have a better understanding of the kingdom fungi.
But first, allow me to clarify our goals. First, you will be able to determine the definition of kingdom fungi by the end of the discussion. Second, you will be able to identify its primary groups of phyla and their examples. Third, is to assess the importance of fungi. And lastly, you'll be able to figure out how to protect and preserve fungi as an important part of the ecosystem. The kingdom fungi includes a vast range of living species. Fungi creatures include mushrooms, yeast, and mold, all of which are made of feathery filaments called hyphae.
Scientists estimate that there are hundreds of thousands of fungal species on our planet Earth.
All fungi are living organisms that are not plants or animals. Fungi were once assumed to be basic forms of plants, but it's not because fungi absorb food instead of producing it.
They are mostly multicellular, eukaryotic, and all of them are heterotrophic, which means they cannot produce their own food like plants.
5 major phyla that were established according to their mode of sexual reproduction or using molecular data. The 5 true phyla of fungi are the
Chytridiomycota or chytrids. Some examples of the Chytridiomycota are water mold called Alomyces, a pathogen of potato called Synchytrium endobioticum, and a chytrid that lives symbiotically in the gut of herbivores such as cattle.
Zygomycota, conjugated fungi, includes the familiar bread mold, Rhizopus stolonifer, which rapidly propagates on the surface of breads, fruits, and vegetables.
Ascomycota, sac fungi. Clear example of sac fungi include morels, truffles, brewers and baker's yeast, dead man's finger, and cap fungi.
Basidiomycota, club fungi, includes mushrooms, puffballs, rust, smuts, and jelly fungi.
Glomerulomycota. Some examples of glomerulomycetes are Gigaspora margarita, Geosiphon piriformis, and Scutelospora persica.
Fungi play an important role in human life.
They use in medicine to produce antibiotics, in agriculture to maintain soil fertility, as food and as foundation of many industries.
Fungi, along with bacteria, break down organic matters, release carbon, oxygen, nitrogen, and phosphorus into soil and atmosphere.
Fungi decompose organic stuff by producing enzymes that break down the decaying substance, which they then absorb.
Fungi, like bacteria, play an important role in ecosystems because they are decomposer and contribute to nutrients, cycling by breakdown organic material into simple molecules.
The lack of protection for fungi is especially troubling because they are major players in ecosystems worldwide. Fungi facilitate nutrient cycling and maintain the dynamics of the biosphere. In addition to their ecological benefits, fungi are utilized extensively in agriculture, forestry, medicine, and many other human endeavors.
There are many ways to protect and preserve the kingdom of fungi, like saving the water, conserve energy, make smart food choices, start composting, try eco-friendly products, rework your clothing, environmentally friendly packaging, volunteer focus, and recycle to lower waste. But there are some threats to fungi, such as climate change, deforestation, inadequate harvesting, and fires, which can also put fungi species in danger.
However, if we expand our ecological vision, which are to include fungi and other unnoticed organisms, we can achieve more comprehensive protection of biodiversity.
We'd like to thank you for all being with us today and for patiently listening what we had discussed. We hope that you all gained something valuable from our presentation. We wish you all a happy and healthy day.